Welcome to the Hubsan F22 tutorial video. In this section, we will explain the first flight and basic flight operations of the fixed-wing aircraft, F22. The aircraft needs to have at least 6 GPS satellites before taking off. The specific steps are as follows. Pull both sticks down out to start the aircraft. Push the left throttle stick up to the maximum position. Throw the plane out horizontally. Pull the elevator stick down until the aircraft reaches the desired height and then release the elevator stick. Now enjoy the wonderful flight. Next, we will demonstrate some basic flight operation. Take left-hand throttle as an example. The left stick of the HT015B transmitter is a throttle rudder stick. Push the stick up, the aircraft accelerates forward. Pull the stick down, the aircraft slows down. Pull the stick to the left, the aircraft slightly tilts to the left and flies towards the left. Pull the stick to the right, the aircraft slightly tilts to the right and flies towards the right. The right stick of the HT015B transmitter is the elevator and aileron stick. Push the stick up, the aircraft descends. Pull the stick down, the aircraft ascends. Push the stick to the left, the aircraft tilts to the left and flies to the left. Push the stick to the right, the aircraft tilts to the right and flies to the right. Thank you for watching.